Hi guys, welcome to Nell's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make hummus. Remember, I promised I will make hummus for the longest while. Today is the day I'm going to make hummus today. So first, I have this jar of chickpeas. This is 540 grams of chickpeas. So I'll be using this jar, so when the hummus is done, I will put it right back into the jar and secure it, put it in your fridge. So I will start by washing. You have to rinse out your chickpeas. Rinse out the chickpeas. I'll be using my NutriBullet to make it today. So you pour the chickpeas into here. I'll start with a little bit because I don't want it to get too dry. Add this. Then I have half a cup of pecans. Half a cup of pecans. I'll be adding that to that. Half a cup of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of tzatziki sauce. Okay, I'll be also adding half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 garlic, 1 clove of garlic, and 1 leaf of parsley. So put it in the magic bullet. Okay, I will add the balance of the peas. I will add a little bit more of olive oil because it's a little bit too dry. Half a cup more because you don't want it too dry. You don't have to make it too soft because this, you just use it as a dip. Okay, and here you go. It's ready. That's how you make hummus. So I will transfer it into the jar and I will show you how it looks. So this is how it looks once the hummus is done. I will taste it to see. Okay. This is good. Really good. You could take the taste of the crunch of the walnuts, of the pecans. You can taste the crunch in it. So I'll transfer it to the jar. And you will find the recipe of how to make the hummus at the end of my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Can't resist. So good, so good. So guys, here you go. So this is homemade hummus. You put it in your fridge, in your refrigerator, and it will last for about 1 week because there's no preservative in it. So that should last about 1 week. You dip your carrots, your celery, you can use it with, you can also use it with what is it? The wraps. Cut your wraps in small pieces and so on, your tortillas, and then you spread your hummus in it, and you're good to go. Okay, so guys, that's it for Nell's Kitchen today on how to make hummus. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Bye, and I'll see you next time on my next video. Hasta la vista, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.